Kuki MP Manipur Kim, the apex body representing Kuki-Zo people, has accused both state government and security apparatus of deliberately ignoring its charter of demands while failing to deliver justice over a series of grave atrocities. Speaking in this regard, Information Secretary of Kim, Zhang Haolun Haokip, said it was deeply disturbing that despite prolonged struggle of Kuki-Zo people for justice, government has continued to remain indifferent to the legitimate political and humanitarian demands raised by the organization. He expressed outrage over absence of arrest in connection with the barbaric killing of Kuki-Zo church leaders, calling the inaction a glaring example of selective justice and institutional apathy. He also raised alarm over the fate of 14 Kuki-Zo individuals allegedly held captive by Naga groups in Senapati district, describing the situation as deeply unsettling and unacceptable. Strongly condemning the ongoing combing operation being carried out in Kuki-Zo inhabited areas, Haokip asserted that such actions, instead of targeting the actual perpetrators behind killings and abductions, have only intensified fear, insecurity, and trauma among innocent civilians.
The Kuki MP, on behalf of the Kuki-Zo people, strongly condemns the relentless combing operation carried out in Kuki-Zo areas. We condemn the selective justice that is being carried out under the state and security agencies, which is bringing fear and insecurity, which is instilling fear and insecurity in the life of innocent Kuki civilians. It is right, rather, for the state and the security agencies to investigate, identify, and arrest the culprits of the barbaric killing of the church leaders and to ensure the safety and the immediate and unconditional release of the hostages until these conditions are met. Any unjustified operations, whether by the state or central security forces in Kuki-Zo areas, will be met with strong opposition collectively by the leaders of the various civil society organizations and all the Kuki-Zo people.